oil and butter. So grated tomatoes, julienne ginger, chopped onions and chopped green chillis. Garnished with salt, black pepper, red pepper. So cook it for some time. Turn on video mode. Okay. Now in goes the Tandoori masala from London.
What make did you get? What brand did you get?
Eastern.
Eastern, oh yeah, Eastern, yeah.
Okay. When you put the masala, you must put some water in it. Okay. Otherwise masala will burn.
Yeah.
Put some water. Little increase the heat and cook it. Huh?
Yeah, no, I think that's a good thing. You sometimes cook the masala or you just mix it with something else.
Some,
Isn't it?
So did you make a video of that? Of me putting the water? Yeah. Now you have to cook a little bit more. Then you have beaten the eggs.
Apparently his hand actions are very good.
Name of
12-ish?
that's all. Again. Okay.
Yep. Cayenne next.
Yeah. Then put it on low gas and then you mix it.
The trick to this also is a good pan, yeah? Honestly,
Yeah,
I
good
think
pan, but,
the
don't-
butter,
Yeah,
the
you
olive
need-
oil.
But yeah, use olive oil, don't use normal oil.
Yeah. See, all chefs use olive oil, right? Like if you look at home, right, all these, man, they just go for normal, just normal regular oil. Observe here the folding technique.
You have to keep
That is the key.
you have to keep mixing it.
Yeah.
You know.
Temperature is at medium,
Yeah. Low medium.
low medium.
So the last 1 minute is without cooking. Just let it sit.